guys, here for another video. Today we're going to be playing a game called Pop Tropica. So I've played this before just a little and it was fun. Actually, I played it a long time ago, but they updated it and I just want to make a new account. So let's get into it. There should be volume. What the heck? You want to learn? I already know. Just get me out of here. Okay. I already did this. I know what to do. So. I'll tell you all the rules. Oh, this is my favorite. So many maps. What's this? This seems like the hammer. Oh, well, it seems like we're playing this. Okay, save. Hold on. I'm just gonna take it down. Let me just enter my username. Once I'm done, I'll get it back up. Okay, now, here we go. Get to redo it. So, back to map. Okay, so we're just gonna press to load. Then we'll be done. Why isn't it not loading? Hold on. I think this is broken. Why, computer? Oh, I really do think it broke. Oh, finally. Nope, nope. Back to map. Whatever that was. Wow. Wow, wow, and wow. Just gonna continue us on this stupid screen, so just gonna head back, do whatever we can not to get on that stupid freaking page. Or this may just be a upload failure. I don't know. I think this is just an upload failure. Yep. This freaking thing sucks. Well, I'm just gonna say, end the video here. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.